Should we start therapy or we should wait for the natural course and the child will develop by himself? Just imagine if I got to understand that my child is not developing the language milestones by 1.5 years of age. Now, the delay between 1 to 2 years of age is only of 50 to 100 words that are delayed, or 200 words max vocabulary that is delayed. But now I understood that my child is delayed at 4 years of age. Now the vocabulary has already grown to 2000 in a neurotypical child. To cover up for a therapist, 500 or 200 vocabulary words or the words, it's easier. It's easy. But to cover 2000 words, it takes a lot of time. With intense therapy, I'm able to reach the vocabulary of 4 years of age, maybe in 2 years or 3 years time. But still, the child has gone to 7 years. And now in that 7 years, even the academic development starts. Even you have to be in first standard, second standard, you have to learn phonics, you have to learn mathematics and so on. Now, should I focus on language or should I focus on academics? So, the moment you start an early intervention, less amount of developmental milestones have to be covered. But if he is not able to understand the instruction only in the language given, or he is not able to express himself in the language, even his education goes down. If I'm not understanding only, how I will do whatever is required in academics. So, language is the base to develop your academics. If your language is not developed, with time your academics will also go down. So always remember, early intervention is the best choice rather than waiting for a natural course of development. Thank you.